Alright guys, right now we're going to do a point of view rain drive. I know it's not smart to drive in the rain with these kind of cars. You know, it's a lot to handle. Especially mine. I don't know about everybody else, but if anybody knows how to fix this wheel hop, please in the comments below let me know. Because that shit is so annoying. It feels like it's going to break the whole rear axle when it does that shit, and I hate it. Yeah, this thing has all kinds of power everywhere. Like, I don't want to play around right now, right here, in this spot in the rain. You know, this play, I'll spin out, hit the curb, mess up the car for no reason. I definitely do not like the wheel hop on this thing. Eco mode really don't do it when you're spinning in the rain. I think it's because it's cutting traction the whole time. Like I said, slightest touch in track mode though. This goddamn thing, it really be sliding. I'll tell you. That's barely getting into the pedal, and it's still wanting to slide like 30. That's barely in the pedal. That's an automatic mode. It's not even a manual mode. The manual mode would be way easier. The automatic mode, I'm trying from a higher gear than like the lowest gear possible to do it with. Guys, a nice little rain cruise. I wish I had an open parking lot to do some sliding where I wasn't going to get caught, but I do not trust it around here. I guess we'll do one. I do know one spot. We'll just go in there real quick and call it a day. Fuck, I missed a turn. I have to go around. Go around one time, call it a day, because there's usually cops are sitting here, and I'm not trying to get busted. So we will do a quick in and out. Quick in and out. See, look at that van. He's waiting. No trucks allowed. I don't want to get caught. Do a quick little circle and get the hell out of here before anybody notices. get the hell out of here now. Slippery slidey. This corner. Kids, I do not condone anybody to drift. Not whatsoever. I don't condone that kind of driving. Go not watch your video and then go out and try to do this in your own vehicle. It does take practice. Downshifts though, god damn, they sound nice. Ooh-wee. Said before, people do not try this at home. I do not condone this kind of driving at your own house. Oh man. Just don't drive reckless like I do. Don't do anything I do. You'll get in trouble for it. I'm not supposed to be doing it, but I'm driving like an asshole. Quick second pull run. Ooh. This thing's a beast. I will tell you that. Like, do I wish I got a Hellcat? Of course. Who wouldn't want a Hellcat? But this is still enough power to have a lot of fun with. Most definitely. But alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, share, all social media platforms. And it looks like the camera got tilted. I didn't tighten it down enough. Fucking A. Alright. I'll let y'all later.